apple, red and sweet. B for ball, roll with your feet. C for cat, says meow meow. D for dog, bow wow wow. E for elephant, big and strong. F for fish, swims along. G for grapes, purple and green. H for horse, runs fast and keen. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for jug with water and ice. K for kite, flying so high. L for lion, king of the sky. M for mango, juicy and sweet. N for nest, where birdies meet. O for orange, round and bright. P for parrot, talks with delight. Q for queen, wears a crown. R for rabbit, jumps up and down. S for sun, shines in the sky. T for tiger, strong and spry. U for umbrella, keeps us dry. V for van, driving by. W, ticking time. X for xylophone, plays so fine. Y for yak, furry and tall. Z for zebra, stripes for all. Now we've learned our ABC. Clap your hands and sing with me. A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning is fun, it's easy you see. Now we know our ABC. Hip hip, hooray, we